Welcome to Quiz Quintessence, your YouTube home for the very best quizzes. This is an Animal 50 question quiz, and the questions are moderate to difficult, so don't expect to get them all. There is absolutely no multiple choice. Providing answer options isn't a real quiz. The questions are rapid fire. You have 10 seconds to answer once the question appears. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time. The entire 50 question quiz takes less than 12 minutes. If you enjoy the quiz and would like to see more, hit like, subscribe, and share. With that, let's get started. What is the largest member of the dolphin family? Killer whale. What is the name for a baby beaver? Kit. What kind of animal is referred to as murine? Mouse or rat? Are zebras black with white stripes or white with black stripes? Black with white stripes. A horse's height is measured from the ground to what part? Withers. What is the name for a group of rhinoceroses? Crash. Why are bald eagles called bald when they aren't? Comes from piebald, meaning white-headed. What is the name for a group of giraffes? Tower. What is the second largest bird in the world and is also considered the most dangerous bird? Cassowary. What is the fleshy protuberance above a turkey's bill called? Snood. Puppies have 28 teeth. How many teeth do adult dogs have? 42. Relative to its body size, what mammal has the largest eyes? Tarsier. Alcatraz Island derives its name from the Spanish for what bird? Pelican. Including tentacles, how many arms does a squid have? Ten. What is the part of a horse between the fetlock and the hoof called? Pastern. What is the most poached animal in the world? Pangolin. What kind of animal is a gooey duck? Clam. Giraffes don't have true horns. What are their horn-like structures called? Ossicones. What are the patterns starlings make when they fly together in coordinated movements called? Murmurations. Kangaroos demonstrate very strong-handedness. Are most kangaroos right-handed or left-handed? Left-handed, more than 90%. What is the longest living land mammal after man? Elephant. What is the only animal in the world with cube-shaped poop? Wombat. Central America's Lake Nicaragua is one of the very few freshwater lakes in the world with what animal? Sharks. What continent has the world's largest frog species? Africa, Goliath frog. What is the only insect considered kosher? Locust. What species of whale dives deeper and stays underwater the longest? Cuvier's beaked whale. What animal has the greatest bite force? Nile crocodile. What is the largest species of antelope? Giant eland. What is the largest mollusk in the world? Giant clam. What was the very first animal to go into space? Fruit flies. V2 rocket in 1947. How many pairs of legs does a shrimp have? 5. What are the only two sea creatures with ivory tusks? Narwhal and walrus. Why can't giraffes cough? Their lungs are too far away from their epiglottis. What is the only known venomous primate? Slow loris. Polar bears have 50 to 60 times the normal human levels of what vitamin in their liver? Vitamin A, levels extremely toxic to humans. What animal always gives birth to 4 identical offspring? Armadillo. A single embryo splits into 4. What animal has the most legs? Millipede, over 1,000 legs. If an animal is edentulous, what is it lacking? Teeth. At what age does a filly become a mare? Five. What is the world's largest reptile? Saltwater crocodile. Besides elephants and rhinoceroses, what other animals are considered pachyderm? Hippopotamuses. What fish's name is thought to derive from the Latin meaning to leap? Salmon. By mass, what is the smallest known mammal? Etruscan shrew. What animal gives birth to the largest young? Blue whale. What endangered New Zealand parrot is the heaviest parrot and the only flightless parrot? Kakapo. Weighs up to 9 pounds. What is the first animal ever discovered that is also part plant? Green sea slug, capable of photosynthesis. What fish is known as poor man's lobster? Monkfish. What animal has the largest sperm? Fruit flies. What is the fastest moving land snake? Black mamba, 12 miles per hour. What animal can snap their claw and produce a cavitation bubble that releases a sound as loud as 218 decibels? Snapping shrimp. How did you do? I hope you enjoyed the quiz, and if you did, please hit like, subscribe, and share to see more. See you next time.